Okay, we already have discussed about this question for the, see here, this is College Board Unit 7, free response question part A, number 1. And we did A and B already. For this question, we just continue with the C, okay? So this is the function given here, and then we just continue with the C part. We finished 1 and A and B already, huh? So now, they said for this C here, they gave the question this: the flowing solution into the vat is stopped. Okay, they close the input, and the solution is drained, so they can open the drain valve. And then what happens is this: they will have what? The depth of the vat is modeled by the function h that satisfies the differential equation thus, where h is the height measured in meters, t is the number of the minutes since the drain began, and the k is the constant. If the depth of the solution is 16 meters at the time t equals 0, and the 4 meters at one time t equals 30 minutes, what's the ht in terms of t? So this question, they just want to use this given differential equation. They ask you to solve what is the h, okay? They ask you to find the ht like this. But you have two constant need to be determined. One is the k here, we don't know yet, the constant. And also when you do the integration to solve the differential equation, you have to have another integral constant. And that will be determined by this condition and this condition, okay? So that's the way we're doing it. Now, we'll do it now, okay? So before we do this differential equation, we need to, when we solve this differential equation, we need to do the separation, right? So I'm going to change this one to dh over square root h equals to negative k dt. This is just simple algebra transfer, right? After you do that, this one you can write like this. We write it as an exponential form, rational exponential form will be easier, okay? So we're going to do is we go like h, right, negative half dh. You know that, huh? This one means h half power. When you flip it up, you will have what? You will have negative exponent, okay? So equals to negative k dt. And then you do integration on both sides. This one, you will get what? Power rule of the integration, okay? This is negative 1/2 plus 1 times by h, negative 1/2 times plus 1 power, right? And then the right side here, this is a constant. You can take it out. And then you have t, but you have a constant there, like this. We can simplify a little bit more. So this is a half. You can flip it. That will be 2h half power equals to k negative k t plus c1, right? And then we can divide it by 2 both sides. So you're going to h half power equals 1 negative 2 k t divide c1 divided by 2, we still get another c, okay? And then we square both sides. So we can have h equals to square negative 2 k t plus c squared, like this. Now, our job here is to use this two to determine, use these two conditions here. T equals 0, height is 16 meters, and t equals 30 minutes, and the height is 4 meters. we use this one to solve the k and the constant c out, okay? So we use x equals t equals 0 first. We plug in here, this one t equals 0. The height is 16. So we will get the equation like this. 16 equals to this part 0 times whatever equals 0. So that means you have only c squared. So c you can pick up as 4. So when you got this one, you can get what? H of the t equals to negative 2kt plus 4 squared, like this. But you're not done yet, because we have to determine what the k right now. We're going to use this part, okay? So when we use this part, t equals 30, so we plug in here, t equals 30, and then the height will be what? 4 meters. So we got another equation now here. We got what? 4 equals to, this is 30, so you got what? Negative 2k times by 30 and plus 4 squared, right? Now, you can square root both sides, right? So you can get what? This is a 2 equals to negative 2k. Oh, I can just one time do the calculation easier. So we will get what? We will get like this one here. So we got what? Negative 60k, right? And plus 4, right? So it's like this, huh? Like this, right? Now minus minus, so you got what? Negative 60k equals to negative 2. So k equals what? Positive, okay? So k is a positive, you simplify, you got what? 1 over 15, right? Now, when you got a k, you plug in back to here again, right? Finally, you can get what? I put it here, okay? H of the t equals to what? Because this is 2 of the 15, right? 2 of the 30, 1 of the 30, this is 1 of the 30, okay? Like this, this is 1 of the 30. And then you plug into here, so you're gonna have negative 2, this is 1 out of 30, and the time by 2, you gotta go 1 over 15, t and the plus 4 squared. So that's the answer for this one out here. This one is just simply they gave you differential equation. They ask you to solve differential equation. Since you have two constants need to be determined. One is constant k. The other one is integral constant c from here. So we can use two conditions to determine both. And then final answer is this. Okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.